Hello, everyone. Welcome to Gary Mac Studio. I went to Hobby Lobby to buy some paint, and I noticed on their rack they have all these paints hanging up in different colors and stuff. So a light bulb came on, and I thought, well, why can't I do that in my shop? And instead of just having them laying in a drawer somewhere, where I can just hang them up on the wall and there'll be easy access. So that's what I'm going to do with with this board right here. Is I'm going to it's just 1/8 inch plywood, and I'm going to mount these strips on the back so that these little hooks I can hang on this board, and that way I can just hang my paints on these, and I won't have to go thumbing through and looking for stuff. So I'm going to add these support pieces to the back so that these screws will have enough meat to go all the way through to the back of that 1/8 inch plywood. So I'm going to attach that, and then we'll see where it goes from there. All right, I'm going to modify these hooks and cut it off just a little bit to make them make it easier to get this off of the board. For this one, it's a little bit difficult to get off and on. It don't come off and on as easy. So I'm going to modify these, and we'll see how that goes. These top ones up here will be for these larger tubes. And as I get over here, because only only have a few of these that are large. There we have it, folks. That's going to be cool. Now then, I shall put some hangers on it where I can move it around on my easel. I'll put some of these hangers on here, like so. And these are my hangers that I can hang this up on my wall easel and move it around where I want to. All right, there we have it. Now I can just hang it up on my wall easel, and that'll work great. I hope. I'll know in a little bit if this thing is going to work or not, but I think it will work just fine. Or at least I'm counting on it working just fine. So I'll take this in the house and put a coat of black gesso on it so it'll match up the rest of my house. So let's go in and see how this thing's going to work. All right, here we are in the studio, and let's just see how this is going to work. And then so I can take this thing and just hang it up on my easel and have easy access to all my colors. And I don't have to go digging through a tray to find out what colors I want to use. And then I think I'll probably, we'll see how it goes, make an attachment to where, if I have to, I can hang it up on over here somewhere. So that's going to work good, I think. All right, love you guys. Hey, I'll paint it black and then we'll look at it again. I'll get it all fixed up. We'll smear a little black gesso on here. Try and make it pretty to match all the rest of my stuff. Okay, the gesso's dried, and let's just see how well this is going to work. Let me move this down out of the way a little bit. And we will start hanging. Move it down a little bit. Start hanging this stuff on here. Let's just see. Well, I wish I'd have made it just a little bit bigger. And I probably will. I'll probably make another one and make it just a little bit bigger because I can't get all the colors on there that I would like to have on there. But concept is great. It's going to work great. That way I can move it around. And I can move it completely out of the way. I can move it completely out of the way of my canvases. Well, that's going to work really good. But I am going to make a bigger one because I can't get all the paints on there that I use a lot. All right. So there you have it, guys. Hey, if I got any smarter, there would have to be two of me. Hey, you guys subscribe to Gary Mac Studio. Love y'all. Hit the thumbs up if you like. Hey, make you one of these. Man, they work. This is gonna work good. Love you. Bye bye.